All right, so here we have a 2014 Chrysler Town & Country. We're going to be doing an oil change, but what we're really trying to fix is we have a lifter tick. So this car has sat for a couple days. We'll go ahead and start it up so you can hear what we're talking about. But as the vehicle starts to warm up, the tick goes down, so that typically means that it's a lifter. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start it up just so you can hear what we're dealing with. All right, so you can kind of hear what we're dealing with there. Typically that's a lifter, so what I'm going to do is I have this marble mystery oil. It's kind of a cleaner. You could use transmission fluid, would also do it. It's got a high detergent rate to it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this whole bottle in here. I'm going to go ahead and run it until it's hot, and then we'll proceed from the oil change from there. All right. All right, so now I'm going to start it up. I'm going to let it run until the vehicle gets to a operating temperature. All right, so here we are under the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and remove the drain plug. This is a 16 millimeter. All right, I'm going to use a little razor blade to get this, I guess, sealant off. At least right around where we're going to mount where the bolt mounts up. All right, so this vehicle didn't have a gasket. All right, so I have a gasket that I got from Auto Parts Direct to You. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on my drain plug. And we'll go ahead and put our drain plug back in. All right, so now we'll go back to the top of the vehicle and do the oil filter. All right, so now we want to remove our oil filter. All right, so our oil filter is located right here. All right, the top of the housing, I'm using a 15/16 socket. All right, so we have our oil filter. I'm going to go ahead and pull our O-ring off. All right, so here we have our new filter that we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. We have our new filter. It also comes with a new O-ring. All right, so I'm just going to put a little bit of oil around this seal, around the O-ring to help it in there. I'm going to go ahead and just clean the inside of that mounting surface. Make sure there's no grit or grime there. All right, so we'll go ahead and insert our filter and our cap back in. All right, so now this vehicle takes 520, right, and it takes 6 quarts. So these come 5, so we'll have to put 1 extra quart in there. All right, so we'll go ahead and start it up, and then and we'll check our fluid level. All right, so now we want to go ahead and check our level. So wipe off our dipstick. All right, so it looks like we're right there, which is in our safe zone. We'll go ahead and check it one more time, make sure that everything is good. All right, so it looks like right there. Yep, right on our safe zone. All right, so we're all set.